Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned sweet corn at home. First, select about 20 pounds of fresh, tender sweet corn, ensuring the kernels are plump and milky. Husk each ear, removing all silk, then wash them well. This initial preparation is crucial for a high-quality finished product, setting the stage for delicious, home-canned corn that you can enjoy year-round. We want to capture that fresh-from-the-field taste perfectly. Next, blanch your prepared corn on the cob in boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes. This helps set the color and flavor. Immediately transfer the hot cobs to an ice water bath to stop the cooking process and cool them quickly. Once cool enough to handle, use a sharp knife to carefully cut the kernels from the cobs. Aim for whole, intact kernels, avoiding cutting too deep into the cob. Now, prepare your clean canning jars by heating them. Pack the fresh corn kernels into the hot jars, leaving exactly 1 inch of headspace from the rim. This space is vital for proper sealing. Next, pour hot brine, made from water and canning salt, over the corn, ensuring all kernels are fully submerged. Use 1 teaspoon of canning salt per pint jar or 2 teaspoons per quart jar for optimal flavor and preservation. Finally, it's time for the pressure canning process, which is essential for safety. For pint jars, process them for 75 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. If you are using quart jars, they will require 90 minutes at the same 10 pounds of pressure. Always consult your altitude chart to adjust the pressure if you live above 1,000 feet. This critical step ensures your canned sweet corn is safe to store and enjoy for many months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.